Here are the tools required to install the lateral and the tension links. Start at the spindle by breaking the 21mm nut loose and removing it. Do the same for the tension link. Hit the spindle with a hammer to release the ball joint. On the other end of the lateral link, you'll see the nut is welded in place to the subframe. This allows you to loosen the 21mm bolt with just a socket. Go ahead and remove the bolt and the lateral link. The tension link bolt can be removed with a 24mm socket. You will need to pivot the tension link around the brake rotor to fully remove it. Grab the new tension link and install it with the ball joint stud facing downward. Get the 24mm bolt back in place. Move the speed sensor wiring and adjust the spindle to get the ball joint installed. Then secure it with the nut. Grab the new lateral link and install it with the stud facing upward. Align the stud with the spindle and go ahead and secure it with the nut. Go ahead and tighten the nut and bolt down. Then tighten the nut on the tension link and the bolt as well. Torque the bolts on the K-member to 184 foot-pounds of torque. The nuts on the spindle, they're torqued to 85 foot-pounds. It helps to turn the wheel to torque the lateral link nut. Torque the last bolt to 184 foot-pounds, then repeat the installation on the driver's side of the car. After that, your installation is complete.